Hello and welcome back to FAFO Friday. And this week we're celebrating the 4th of July weekend. And today we're going to see if we can shoot condiments out of a shotgun. Don't forget to head to ballisticmachinist.com and sign up for our newsletter to make sure that you stay up to date on all the newest releases. And don't forget, always shoot cool shit. So what we got this week, we got our hamburger and we got all the standard condiments. We got mayo, mustard, ketchup. And then we have lettuce, onion, and relish is more of a hot dog thing, I think, but we're going to try it anyways. So we got those with small charges, and we're going to see if we can't fix us up a hamburger. All right, well, we're going to start out with our shotgun shell full of mayonnaise, and we're going to see if we can't put that on our hamburger here and see what happens. Let's give it a shot. All right, well, I'm going to flip that over. And then we're going to go to some mustard and see what that one does. So it's doing a little bit more to the sandwich than I thought. But let me go move it again. All right, now we're going to move on to our ketchup round, and then we'll go take a look at it. All right, let's go check it out. All right, well, it's tearing up the hamburger a little bit more than I was expecting, but we do have, other than some plastic, we got some mayo right here. We got a lot of mustard. And you can see some ketchup. Yeah, we got some more stuff. Let's see what else it can do to it. Well, those they're doing a whole lot more damage to the hamburger than I was thinking they were gonna do. But we got some relish. I don't know who eats relish on a hamburger, but I'm sure you got a weird uncle that will. But we're gonna put it on there and see what it does, and then we're gonna move into the harder items. So here goes the relish. All right, let me go rebuild that. All right, well, there's not a whole lot left of the hamburger, but we're going to move on to the shredded lettuce and add that to this mix. Let's see what this one does. And because I think the onions are just going to tear it up even more, I'm not even going to waste the time to go rebuild it. And we're going to shoot our onions and then go check it out. All right, let's go see what we got left. Well, I don't know if a 12 gauge is the best way to top your sandwich, but we made a pretty big mess. We tore it up, and I don't see any lettuce or onions here. Where did they all go? Oh, maybe there's a little bit of onion right there. Yeah, I have no idea where all the lettuce and onions went. A little bit of onion right there. But anyways, I hope you enjoyed the video. We had a fun time making it, and we will see you next time.